In this video, we will show you the correct procedure for installing the tipping restraints included with your furniture. Before starting, we recommend organising any included hardware. The PDF assembly instructions are included with the product. However, they can also be found on our website on the product listing page. To complete the assembly, you'll require a standard crosshead screwdriver, drill, and any hardware needed for your wall. After positioning your furniture in its desired location, locate the vertical wall studs in the area of wall behind your furniture. A stud finder or knock test can be used to help determine their locations. Then mark the wall. On the back of the furniture, locate suitable mooring points for the included brackets. Make sure the brackets are as high as possible and on a firm part of the furniture's frame, in line with the marks on the wall. Peel the sticky backs off the brackets and stick onto your furniture. Using a pilot drill, drill 2 holes for each bracket into the furniture. Then, using the 4 shorter screws provided, secure the brackets in place. Next, mark the wall for the remaining 2 brackets. Ensure they are aligned with the wall studs and are 1 inch lower than the brackets on the furniture. Drill 2 holes in the wall for each bracket and using the 4 longer screws, secure in place. Position the furniture back against the wall and thread the 2 nylon straps through the openings of each bracket. Loosely fit both straps, and once happy, tighten them fully, ensuring several clicks are heard. To find out more information about this product or any of the other ranges from furniture.co.uk, please check out the links accompanying this video.